against Akifumi Shimoda of Japan. April 6, 2013. Oh!
Little,
Tama.
para medyo mapansin talaga. There's a record down again. Nickname Gasolina.
Hard right. No, he's also known as Barili because that's the town where he was
Where
born.
he came from. Para kay Gasca.
Oh, beautiful punch. Ganda yung suntok ng Gasca, yung right straight. Body shot. Tapos ng boxing.
Apat na beses pinabagsak ang kalaban na nagsabing dadayuhin daw ang Pinoy para pabagsakin. Ngunit kabaliktaran nga po ang nangyari. October 26, 2013, dumayo sa Pilipinas ang Indonesian boxer na may 11 wins, 7 knockouts at 4 na talo na si Landy Olin, habang ang ating kababayan na si Rolly Gasca may 20 wins, 5 knockouts at 4 na talo. Sa umpisa nga po ng laban, maagang umatake ang ating kababayan na parang may galit at gigil kay Landy Olin.
24 years old, and he's going to be going after Olin, but Olin comes out strong.
Yes.
Iba talaga itong Olin. All in para sa kanya. This is the Waterfront Hotel and Casino, so it's all in.
Yan ang nga lumalabas.
Gasca is a boxer.
Yes.
Yung estilo ni Gasca, outbox his opponent. He's a very good boxer, very talented young fighter. Hasn't got the breaks. He's been a little unlucky in some of the fights as well. That's a push. June 22, 2013, he won a unanimous 10-round decision over Jimmy Adukal. He had a majority draw against Akifumi Shimoda of Japan. April 6, 2013.
Mabigat ang naging opening ni Gasca, knocking down Landy Olin. Tama ka, all-in ang atake ni Gasca. Gasca, of course, a former OPBF Super Bantamweight champion.
See, yung problema ni Olin, he is throwing punches wildly and he gets tagged with a good counter from Gasca.
Inactive kasi ito si Olin, ano? Medyo a lot of ring rust.
Oh, he's staggered again. Kasi I think he's fought only once in the last year and a half.
That's why may konting problema rin sa timbang.
Yeah,
Si Olin, he struggled making the weight.
Yeah, he was 3 pounds over the weight limit. Gasca going after Olin. He wants to win impressively, but Olin is fighting back.
Gasca
Missed completely.
very wild shootout dito sa opening round. Sa pagkita ni Rolly Gasca at Landy Olin. Gasca already with a knockdown. Alam mo, he's more of a boxer, pero itong si Gasca medyo be aggressive a little.
Tama.
Para medyo mapansin talaga. There's a record
Down again. Right uppercut. Olin shaking his head. Landy Olin.
Will he make the count?
No, he gets up. He makes a count. He's all right.
Ganyan naman talaga ang estratehiya, no? 10 count yan eh, 1 to 10. So, bakit ka tatayo ng mabilis? Right to the body by Gasca. Alam niyang inactive, alam niyang may problema sa timbang. Pinatarget ni Gasca ang bodega.
Good body shot, but Gasca came back with the left hook. Landy Olin is, para sa kanya, it's now or never.
Time
Hope.
is no longer on the side.
Hope for the best. Wild punch. And he jumped in with the right.
Alam mo, yung style ni Olin, di pagka-reggae.
Good left by Gasca.
Oh, very strange.
That was the bell end of round number 1.
Round number 2, Super Bantamweight. Rolly Zuma Gasca versus Landy Olin ng Indonesia. Gasca in the right flank.
Tama.
Itong si Olin ng Indonesia. Again, going down. And
Gasca was
konting warning. Si Gasca may konting tulak. Medyo agresibo ngayon, ha? Ito si Rolly Zuma Gasca, also known by another nickname, Gasolina.
Hard right. No, he's also known as Barili because that's the town where he was born.
And now, the referees ruling a knockdown. That's 3 knockdowns credited para kay Gasca. Oh,
Beautiful punch. Ganda yung suntok ng Gasca, yung right straight. Body shot. Tapos ng boxing.
what a smashing win. Gasca was only one of his last 4 fights. Back in the healing groove. At si All In.
Sabi ko sa'yo,
All In.
Waterfront Hotel.
Aksyon mula sa nakaraang round. Tinapo ninyo, painting with the left. And
Hard
then there's a big right. Ang ganda nung pag-paint niya, no?
Mhm.
And there's the right
body
to the
shot.
body. The one that ended it all for All In.
Isinuka na ang mouthpiece. Senyales na hindi na kaya pang magpatuloy ng kalaban. Matagumpay si Rolly Gasca. Ang laban ay ito nga po, ang nagparetiro sa Indonesian boxer. At nito nga lang pong April 1, 2023, isang Thai boxer naman ang pinasukan ng ating kababayan na si Christian Araneta.
Nakatama din ng body shot.
This is round number 9. If the Thai needs to, what kind of punch you think is should be effective against Christian Araneta? Parang hindi siya makapasok kahit anong suntok eh. Ano bang magandang panabla dyan sa ganyang style?
Mahirap yan eh.
Yan, combinations.
Mahirap. Dapat ka talaga pumasok sa loob pag ganyang estilo. Tsaka, then do the counter punch. Pag nakapasok ka na. Pero kung hindi ka makapasok, hindi ka makagawa ng counter punch niyan.
Ayan, medyo nagkakaroon na ng participation yung crowd.
Oo, kasi nagramain chan eh. Parang masakit. Ang hirap pumasok pag yung chan mo. Binabana, kanina pa yan
Eh, medyo nasasaktan siya, nakikita mo sa facial reaction niya.
Nice!
Left
That's
hand.
what you were saying.
Head
That's
to
what you
the
were
knee.
saying.
Finally!
Yan.
And I think he's throwing up.
Ay!
He's throwing up blood.
Nagsuka na. Tapos sa laban.
And it is over, ladies and
Nagsuka.
gentlemen.
Nagsuka.
I hope
Oh
he is
my
okay.
gosh. I gotta see that again. Hirap to. Nagsuka
Yung ano
talaga.
natin, yung doctors and health team.
Sa,
Yo, bakit nagsuka yun, no? Ito na. Diyan sa ulo.
Yan.
And
Bang.
then the chan. Tingnan natin ulit. Headshot. Another headshot. Paki-check kung ano yung lumabas sa bunganga, kung anong kinain. Boom, headshot again.